Oj. Oj. How about? There it goes. Morning. Yeah, could use a little bit of work. This one needs some threads cleaned up. Oh. Woohoo, there it goes. Well, that went faster. we go.
Sorry, I found the audio files. I just added them back in for you. Ooh, BLO. Tap, 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 tap.
Okay, here we go. Thank you. All the way.
So there you have it. This is my beam drill. This is the one I want to have in the shop for a long time. Now I know there are going to be a lot of questions. Why did I paint it blue? Why did I paint the gears? Why did I do a whole bunch of other things? I have a whole second channel called Wood by Wright How To. And this is where I actually go into a lot of the detail and I talk through the whole build and explain why I did what I did, what tools am I using, what are the methodologies. So if you want to see all that information, I'll leave a link to that video down below. And every time you have a video that comes up on this channel, there's also a corresponding how-to video on the other channel. So if you want to see more of that, hop on over there. But a lot of those questions are answered on that channel. Now, yes, I have had this beam drill for a while. I picked this up at MWTCA meet probably 2 years or so ago. I've used it a few times. It just has a few odd quirks that weren't exactly what I wanted. But then I recently came across this one, which is the exact one that I wanted. So this one I decided to make it mine and paint it and do the whole 9 yards on it. So this is here to make me happy. But speaking of which, I am about to be selling this one. If you're watching this on Saturday or Sunday, this one is now for sale on the Can I Have It Facebook group. I'll leave a link to that down below. So it'll be ending Sunday night. So if you'd like to actually own this one, there's a link to that down below. A beam drill is not something that is incredibly useful for everything in the shop, but if you are doing any timber framing, there are few things that can beat a beam drill. It is absolutely a phenomenal tool that can do really big things relatively easily. So I'll probably be doing a few timber framing projects and other things like that coming up. I do have one other timber framing video where I used this one making a post for my mailbox. That was kind of fun, but we'll have a few other things where this one will get used. So I think that's about it. If you do have any questions, comments, ideas, snide remarks, let me know down below. I do read through all the comments, and thank you for everyone for putting those up. Also, I want to say thank you to all the patrons on Patreon, members here on the channel, people who support this channel by buying things on the website. Honestly, we would not be here without your support, so thank you for that. Everyone scrolling over here on the side who's helping us on Patreon, you are quite literally keeping the lights on the shop and keeping these videos coming. So thank you for that, and if you do have any questions, feel free to message me. I think that'll do it for now. Until next time, have a wonderful day. These things are so old, the Bible even talks about them. You ever have the splinter in your brother's eye and the beam drill in your own eye?